सो आइए आज मिलते हैं श्रेयल के साथ who has scored all in a 31st rank in the Jan 2021 cycle. Yes, the cycle which was the termed as the opt-out cycle, right? And it was a very thrilling experience for us to have a student who has scored so well, done so well. And the biggest point that I would like to say is people who opted out, right? There was some reason or the other why they opted out, and it has been a very, very difficult 1 year for all of us, right? She being no exception. So we'll hear it from Shriyal because it's you can say a Zoom interview. So we'll keep it one by one just in order to ensure that you can hear us clearly and loudly, and also take a few tips from her as to how you should go for your attempt. Shriyal, over to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. As I said, it has been a difficult year for all of us. So, sir knows very well that I was very apprehensive to give November exams because I was not really prepared to give both. So we both, sir suggested that you go for May because I know you can do well. If you're not confident for the November, go for May and try for May. But sooner in November, the announcement came that there is this thing, January attempt, which was completely unexpected for all of us. Like I just thought like this would be the best opportunity, and I grabbed that opportunity and made sure that I have to prepare for it. I was really scared because I didn't think that I was really prepared to give in January also. And coming for the papers, the costing and tax papers for this attempt was like terrible. I remember after writing tax papers, I was not really sure that I should also try giving group 2 because tax was the last paper, and I was really, really scared because tax paper went horrible. But my mother was like, no, Michelle, it's okay. Just go for it. You have come so far. So try going more for it. And after that, the results straight came. I still remember it was, I guess, 26th of March. It was, we were expecting around April, but it came a little earlier. So I was just laying down on my bed and just chatting with my friends, like when it will come and all that. And suddenly, out of nowhere, one of my friends, Ishika, she was like, guys, the results are out. And literally, I froze in the moment, like, what to do next? What to do next? And I just ran to my mom. I was sure that I'm not going to see the results. I was like, Mom, you have to see it. I cannot face that. I cannot see it. My mom opened the results and she was just screaming, Michelle, you passed, you passed. I've scored around 568 marks. She was like, you have to check the merit list. I was like, no, wait, let me first see the marks, then you go to the merit list. Then we saw the merit list. My father was actually not in the house. So after seeing 31, my mom was out screaming, calling my dad and everything. And I was just sitting there frozen. I literally checked 2 to 3 times my page. I log in and relog in again and again that it's my name only, it's 31 only. Then I remember calling sir, it has happened. And yeah, it was just like for, I think in the entire day, I was not able to sink in that, yeah, I have passed, not only I've passed, I've scored 500 plus marks along with rank. So I would say I would really like to thank sir because I was not really sure if I would be able to do it, but sir was like, मेरे को तेरे पे भरोसा है, तू कर, मुझे तेरे पे भरोसा है, अगर तू नहीं की तो वो तेरा वो होगा, because sir always told me that I believe in you. To rank वाली बंदी है, but I was really apprehensive because I was not really prepared. But sir के भरोसे की वजह से I was like, yeah, I should do it and I need to do it. And I would really like to thank sir for motivating me so much. So if you have to say anything.
Fine, Shriyal, so one thing I would like to say to our viewers is Shriyal is all India rank at the foundation level as well, right? And that was all India 29th, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right. So decent memory that I have. So it was an all India 29th rank that she has scored, and she was very apprehensive in November. We had long chat late into the night discussing that, sir, I won't be able to give the November attempt. So we ultimately, as she said, we opted and made a plan for a May cycle. Everything looked fine. I didn't know why she was worried because she's a brilliant student. And there are certain set of students, as a teacher, you know that they'll pass. Whether they say they believe in themselves or no is a secondary matter to me. If some students like hers turn up to me and say that she was talking about her friend Ishika, so these are all very, very good, dedicated people. And how on earth I couldn't believe she said that, sir, I don't think so I would be able to write it. I was like, no, have you lost it? It's not possible. You are too good to think any negative. And so she ultimately attempted in Jan and did it with flying colors, brilliant performance. So it is right. I would like to add one thing before I just move on to my next part of the tale. Is she has done it in foundation. She's done it in inter. Shreyal, now you know what I mean. There's one level more left to again do an excellent performance. No, I'm not putting the pressure, because a lot of people would feel that no, because see, if someone is capable, you know, and that's why I said one group at a time is no choice for you. You have to do it together, because that is what brings the rank, and you can get it. That's as simple as that. There's no other equation to the entire story. So she has performed well, and God willing, she'll be doing wonderfully well ahead in her articleship as well as in her CA final. Now, one more thing, how did you manage to study, keep yourself motivated? Any tips during such difficult COVID times? Because everyone has suffered mental fatigue, including you also had mental fatigue bouts, because we had a discussion on that one. And yes, as any person, including myself or anyone for that matter, have faced the mental fatigue during last 1 year. And how did you manage? These online classes were there, because I knew we had long hours of online session late into the evening. As a student, how could you manage it out? Because see, if I tell something, everyone would say, "Ha, ye to sir hai, bol raha hai." So at the end of the day, I want to hear it from a person who has done it, who has suffered it and triumphed it. Right? So Shreyal, over to you. I just want viewers to know, all the students to know, how have you prepared yourself during this time, and how have you managed to keep yourself really focused?
Thank you. So, to be very honest, I was really apprehensive, as I said. So, after having a chat with sir, I was like, for sure that, yeah, I have to write me attempt. So, I started preparing that ways. So, at that point of time, I think we had a chat with sir around September, I believe. So, after that, I knew I'm not writing November, because that was not the choice, because I won't be able to write both the groups in November. So I'm good at practical. I enjoying writing practical exam papers. So the thing in my mind was I have to get completed with practical papers first. Also, there's this concept in my mind that the later I do theory subjects, it would stay in my mind for more longer. So I tend to keep my theory subjects later. So my entire study pattern actually changed in November, because at that time I knew I have like literally 2 months to prepare and write in January. So by that time I was mostly done with my practical papers. All I had to do was brush up with it. And also I'm a big procrastinator. So I am the kind of person who cannot keep studying consistently. But at the last few months, I studied around like crazy. My mother would be like, please have some routine, eat or sleep. I would not suggest anyone to do that, but I am like, at the last few months, I went like literally crazy. I would not suggest anyone to do that. Please be consistent. But because I had a crunch of time, I managed doing practical subjects first and then theory, so that it stays in my mind for more longer. I would also say keep yourself not only for studies, do some extra activities. Like I used to, like, being in the COVID times, you cannot really go out or do some sort of activities. So I did a little bit of exercising to get my mind off, and the binge watching. I used to take time for around 1.5 hours for binge watching. And talking about the subjects, like tax and EIS were the two subjects that troubled me the most. So that's this paper. After also seeing the paper, I gave my maximum time to tax paper, and yet after seeing the paper, I just went blank. Like, what is the paper? So I would suggest solve as much as RTPs, MTPs, and the question papers, especially for tax, because only after solving the questions you would get the hang of the subject. if you are thorough with the concept or not. If you don't solve the question papers, you would not even know that where you stand at. So once you solve the question papers, you know where you're at and what concepts you are thorough with and what you are not, so that you can work on which you are not comfortable with. And RTPs are a must because it brings with amendments, because every paper, like at least one question, like minimum one question around 5 to 10 marks would be from the amendment, and especially tax, because there are a lot of amendments in tax. And yeah, I have nothing much to
So,
say.
any particular favorite subject and highest marks? Anything that you would to like to
FM.
say on
I
that
would
one?
really thank for FM, because Sir was a subject FM. He made us solve questions. I don't know. My mother, when she gave her exams like 1998, 1999, that time of questions we solved with Sir. So it was like it's really shocking that the amount of questions he have, the question bank he has, and he makes us solve. I had literally before paper, I was panicked in every paper, but not FM. I was so sure that yeah, FM is gonna go best, because I was really prepared, because Sir made us. He made us solve n amount of questions, like n amount of questions.
What's the score in that, Shreyal? If I am not able to recollect.
88, sir.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Right, amazing, amazing. So nothing like it. And some tips before we can part ways. Some tips I would like to say that, because this is special circumstances and a very brilliant special performance from you. So we cannot leave you without dropping a few tips for people who are writing in May and coming November, because again, the times are not really great. There's a second wave around the corner. Things do not look really nice and peaceful. So please, some suggestions and some tips, if you can, on this matter,
Yes,
because I want the people to learn it from you.
Yes, sir. So I would say that at least solve ICI material thoroughly 3 times, like minimum 3 times, because if you are thorough with ICI material, I could say that like maximum amount of questions come from the ICI material, like direct questions, like just by changing the numbers. So please make sure that you are done with ICI material more, and obviously solve a lot of RTPs and MPPs, and find your schedule, like what you're comfortable with. If you're comfortable with theory subjects more, then try to do it less, because in the subjects which you're uncomfortable, try to finishing it first, because at that of if you go on to later, you would panic more rather than. So make sure the ones you're uncomfortable with, get through it prior, and once with you are comfortable, keep it for the last, so that you don't panic at the end of the examinations. Because what matters most is that 15 to 20 days of examination to keep you sane. If you go panic at that time, that would show on your papers. So just be calm and write whatever you have remembered, and try not to panic, because for me that was the main rule, that on the day of the examination I cannot panic. I never used to open books on the day of the examination. I would just sleep. I would just wake up, take a bath, and just go simply and just write it out. Just don't panic, and find a schedule that fits you the best. And ICI material.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. And I always insisted do as many papers as possible. Yes. And we had this plan also for all of my students. And Shreyal also updated me on the same, that she's writing a lot of papers. You have to write it actually. Just reading through wouldn't help. Wouldn't you agree, Shreyal, on this one?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. For sure.
So this is a wonderful journey, and wish we could meet in person, but technology at our disposal. At least we could meet virtually and have this wonderful interview with Shreyal over here. And what could I say? What could I say? Because it was really tough time, panicky time for every one of us, and coming out and performing in such a wonderful manner is just outstanding. So 3 cheers to you, Shreyal, for your excellent performance. Wishing you an amazing articleship life ahead.
Thank you,
right?
sir.
And there's a lot of learning that's going to be involved, trust me. And then there is CA final around the corner. Everyone says it's 3 years, and the 3 years just whiz by. Everyone in the CA final attempt would agree to that, and I'm wishing that she continues with a stellar performance, right? So we'll just close it
So
over
I
here.
would like to just add one thing.
Yep.
One of our seniors, Anirudh, he also got an AIR 28 this final in November, and his interview with sir was uploaded on YouTube, and I was watching that. Like my exams were going in between, and I was just watching that, and I was just wondering like what an ecstatic moment it must be for everyone around there. But not even in my wildest dream that I have thought that I would be sitting here and talking to sir, because not even in my wildest dream that I would have thought that I will get an AIR and would be having this opportunity to talk with sir and all of you. So I would really like to thank sir for this opportunity to giving me to and this platform.
Thanks, my dear child. And this is something that I always say to all of my students: keep believing in yourself. Anirudh stated something very similar, that he was very ecstatic and couldn't figure out and was frozen on the result day. It will happen. It will happen. You're working hard. Why don't believe in yourself? And you should keep believing yourself, because at the end of the day, you are a performer who is going to get the success sooner or later. It is bound to happen. So just waiting for this moment. Every time I said, Shreyal, rank chahiye beta, ho jayega, and she would be, sir, पढ़ रही हो sir. So yes, a little bit of you can say a kind of, I wouldn't say a pressure tactics. I would always say it's a self-realization tactics that I use. I always say that you are good, believe in yourself. And again, let me tell you that, Shreyal, it's an equally ecstatic moment for me, because I was expecting that to happen, and finally it did. And I'm extremely happy for you. All the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you so much, sir.
Keep smiling, don't panic as you do, and keep performing wonderfully well.
Thank you so much, sir.